morning, students. Today we are going to make a paper star, and for making a paper star we need three square marble papers. Three marble papers you can take of same color or you can take of different color, but a square marble paper and a Fevicol. We are not using scissor or anything in this. It is very simple. So first I will show you how to fold the paper. First, I will take the paper and fold it into a triangular shape. By joining the corners, I made a triangle of the paper. Then, let's open it. I got a middle line which is joining the two edges. Okay, now this I got a middle line. Now, let me bring this line on this line by folding it in this way. See here. On the center line, I have brought the paper, the edge of that paper here. Okay. Now let's take it from the other side. And just see that you get a point on top. Bring it. The edges are brought together. Now in the same way, I have to do to the upper portion, this portion. Let's bring this edge of the paper on the middle line. Okay, in this way. Now just close it. You got a like this triangular long paper. Now keep this paper aside. In the same way, we are going to fold the other two papers in the same form. So let's fold here. First a triangular fold. See that you bring it closer to each other so that your folding is proper. Then fold it to the edges. Bring the edge of the paper to the middle line. On the middle line. Then the other part. In the same form on the middle line. Done. Now the other side of it on the middle line to the point. Now again close it and keep it aside. Now two papers are made. Okay, let's make one more. As the edge is not proper, it's not a proper square. So let me just cut here a little bit. Scissor is not at all needed in this fold. As the edge was not proper, I had to use it. Then in the same form, bring the edge of the paper to the middle line, one side, then the other side. Turn it. Again the edge of the paper on the middle line, the other side edge of the paper on the middle line. Okay, now again close it down. So I have taken three papers now. 1, 2, 3. three papers. I have folded it into a triangular shape. Now see here, each paper has an opening. Each triangle has an opening. Now what we have to do, just take little Fevicol, only a drop of it, and pour it on the edge in the corner. And the other part of the paper, just place it on that. Okay? So you have stuck it, both the papers. Now this paper, pass it in, the other overlapping on it. Now it will open from here. So in the same way, just apply little Fevicol on the edge and stick it. Okay? Or you can just apply the Fevicol on the edge, on the line, and just stick it. It has stuck now. So this is one portion of a star ready. Now let me stick both the open corners of the one triangle which is left. Let me stick it out. Okay, it has stuck. Now we have to place it in the center of that. So for that, let us apply a little Fevicol here and stick this edge. Press it well so that it sticks nicely. Now our star is ready. See. In this way, you can make many paper stars of different colors and make different wall hangings out of it. Okay children, so you all have to make a star, a wall hanging or any decorative material out of these stars. Make minimum 5 stars and think of what other ideas you can use for making a wall hanging or a wall piece, and send me the photo along with your name and along with the child's face. Okay children, thank you. Have a good day.